One of the biggest questions that I've got is how do I do my baking powder? So this is one size powder and this is my eyeshadow brush. I tap into it and then tap off the excess and then gently just do a little bit of setting powder, just the smallest amount to kind of set everything in place. That way whenever you go in with your actual powder, it's not gonna muddy up under your eye. So just a little bit to set, and then I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Blender Powder Puff, and I'm gonna actually tap into the powder, and then I tap it off like this over the top, and then we'll go ahead and do baking powder. Some days I do a lot of powder and it sits for a minute, and then some days I just kind of like powder and it like blends in. It just depends on how much of a set I feel like I need. So today I don't feel like I need a ton. It's not like super hot outside or anything like that, so I feel like my makeup will stay if I do it like this. So I will do under my eyes, and then I'll tap it onto my hand to get the excess off, and then of course I'm gonna do right here on my cheeks, and I'll do both sides, and around my mouth sometimes gets oily, so I'll do that, and then the last thing that I'll do is gonna be my forehead. Super simple, easy way to bake. So here's the finished look.